So here we have to see a fast change when we have to fill the batter of idli or dosa in the plates. It's converted into a pudding. Okay, means a shape of idli and dosa within a few times. Okay, it will be take hardly a few minutes, 1 or 3 minutes, 1 to 3 minutes. That is an example of fast change. In the previous video, I am giving the example of that we have to fill the water 1 or 2 spoon in the bowl, and water is filled with 5 or 6 liter in the big container. Okay, both are some changes, but first the water is filled with the spoon is a fast change, and that water is filled with the container. It's also an example of change, but it takes more time to supply the heat or heat the water. Now next, periodic change. Okay, periodic change means the change with repeat that themselves are called periodic change. Day and night, phases of the moon. Okay, batting of heart, clock striking. Again after some time, again some interval time. Today 12 o'clock is there. So again tomorrow 12 o'clock is there. Okay, today is the Friday and your science period is there, third period is there, so next Friday. Some things are repeated after some interval time is called periodic change. Like today, sun is rises in the east direction, tomorrow again sun rises in the east direction. Okay, day after tomorrow again rise in the east direction and set in the west direction. If this periodic change is not occur, so we cannot survive our life without the rotation and revolution of the earth, because the earth takes 24 hours to complete one day, that is called rotation, and earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution. Okay, 1 year, that is called revolution. So rotation and revolution are the example of periodic change. Every day it can be occur. So here we have to see the motion of planet and phases of moon. When the full moon day is there, the moon is completely see its full moon day, and when the no moon day is there, that is called Amavasya day. Okay, Amas bolte hain usko. There is a no moon day is there, completely we have to see the blackish atmosphere in the sky, and after again that very first day it can be changed with shape. So these all are the example of periodic change. Sun is rises, fall down, the leaves of the tree in the season, and again it can be grow. Water bodies are filled, after water is converted into the water vapor, and again the water vapor making heavy clouds, and again bring the water as a form of rain on the earth. This is water cycle. So sun is rises in the east direction, phases of moon, clock. Every day the hands of clocks are rotate and complete one day. Trees leaves are fall down, water cycle, and blood circulation. Okay, from the heart, arteries take the blood from the heart. It can be reaches all parts of the body to the downwards. Artery take blood from heart to downwards, and the veins carry this blood from downwards to the heart. Okay, फिर से वो हार्ट ब्लड को ऑक्सीजनेटेड में से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज करेगा, क्लीन ब्लड को हार्ट में और ब्रेन के अंदर रोटेट होगा, अगेन हार्ट पंपिंग करेगा, अगेन इट कैन बी reaches from the heart to all parts of the body by the artery and by the vein. Again it can be carried back. So this is circulation. Circulation नहीं होगा तो we cannot survive our life. So here phases of the moon, day and night, changing a season, changing a years, changing a week, batting of heart, clock striking again an hour after 24 hours. ओके, आज रात को 12 कल रात को भी 12 बजेंगे ही बजेंगे, दैट इज अ पीरियोडिक चेंज। Non-periodic change which do not occur a regular interval times are called non-periodic change. For example, eruption of volcanoes, earthquake, forest fire are non-periodic change. When the earthquakes occur, when the eruption of volcanoes occur, okay, so when the earth first core, अर्थ का जो फर्स्ट लेयर है, इट कैन बी ब्रस्ट, द लावा एंड मैग्मा, अ लिक्विड मटीरियल कम्स आउट एंड फ्लो आउट फ्रॉम द अर्थ, इट कैन नॉट बी कम्स बैक अगेन विथ इन वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम, इट कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू द हार्ड रॉक्स, वो पत्थर बन जाते हैं। कूलिंग होने के बाद वो फिर से मैग्मा और लावा लिक्विड मेटल नहीं बनती है, वो जब भी मैग्मा और लावा कूल डाउन होता है तो उसका स्टोन बन जाता है, इट कैन नॉट बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू द लिक्विड मेटल अगेन। जो लावा और मैग्मा हीट जो जमीन में से, अर्थ में से बाहर आई थी, लिक्विड मेटल, वो वापस लिक्विड मेटल में कन्वर्ट नहीं होती है, इट कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू द हार्ड रॉक्स, उसके कूल डाउन होने के बाद पत्थर बन जाते हैं। That is non-periodic change. After some time, it cannot be changed. Okay? Say here, forest fire. Once a fire is occur in the forest, once a fire, a millions of trees, okay, are buried. So रातों रात a tree grow नहीं होते. It can be take a very long time. Okay, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. बिकॉज आपने स्लो चेंज में देखा, जैसे बेबी ग्रोन अप होता है स्लोली स्लोली, ऐसे आपने सीड ग्रो किया, सीड का जर्मिनेशन स्टेज आपको पता है, 4th और 5th में आपने स्टडी किया है। ओके, फिर वो बिग ट्री होने में और फ्रूट्स और फ्लावर होने में 5 to 10 years लग जाते हैं। ओके, वो स्लो चेंज प्रोसेस है। तो हाउ इट कैन बी पॉसिबल अ फॉरेस्ट फायर, trees are grow fastly. So these all are the example of non-periodic change.